Hello, I'm Chris, and today we're going to disassemble and reassemble this M1 carbine. First thing we're going to do is clear the weapon. I've already got the magazine out of it, and the weapon's already on safe. Lock the bolt in the rear. Look and feel inside here. This gun's not loaded. Bolt back forward. Okay. First thing you're going to do is undo this front band screw here. Don't booger the screws like I did when I first got this gun. I gotta replace it. Okay, got that loosened. Now there's a locking spring here that you gotta depress while pushing this front band screw towards the end of the gun. Like that. Remove this top guard here. And the barrel assembly is gonna pop right out. All right, now let's get the recoil spring and guide rod out. Almost shut out the window. Okay. Trigger assembly. Take a punch out this locking pin here. I just love the way General Motors makes things. Well, they made things, I guess, not anymore. And that'll come right out. Notice that there's a slide, or there's a set of grooves here, and a set of notches here. That'll help you when you're putting that thing back together. Okay, now we're gonna get the slide off. Bring it back to this notch here. Push up on the charging handle. It should come out. Now bring this slide back forward a little bit and twist it towards you. She'll come on out. Now the bolt, you just gotta rotate and turn, bring it back and turn it, and rock it down, tip it out. I keep it upside down so it's easier to put back together. Okay, so this is the basic disassembly. Now we're gonna put it back together. Bolt back in upside down, turn it when you get it in. It'll slide right in there like that. Cheers. Now this is going to lock into here. So you're gonna bring this back about halfway. And then you're gonna throw it into those notches and lock it into that lug as well. Bring it forward. Now I get the trigger assembly back in. Fire control group, sorry. That's military cats called trigger assembly. Now put the pin back in. Okay, now get that guide rod back in the recoil spring. Slide that back into its home. And push on there and rock it back into its hole. Boom. All right, now there's a little tongue here. And a little notch here, and you're gonna drop it on in. Okay, now same kind of deal. This thing's got a little groove, and you're gonna bring it into that groove right there. Slide it on. Now with the front band, bring it back, press down to that locking spring. There we go. Tighten that front band screw. Now let's run a functions check on it. Charge weapon. Weapon's unsafe. Trigger pull, nothing happens. Fire. Man. It's got a good trigger pull for something made in the 40s. It really does.